December 8th, year 2017. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. Good morning, my dear daughters. You are reflecting on what it means to turn the other cheek. To respond as I would have you respond, you must call on me to guide you. In turning the other cheek, you avoid those pitfalls which otherwise would justify the behavior of others. When you react to the negative behavior of another, right resolution will never occur. While one cannot mitigate one's feelings, I and I alone can temper those actions which keep one from clearly seeing that which is the truth, that which is the root source of another's behavior. When you react to the behavior of another, they are unable to see that which must be tempered in their own self. Yes, to see that which is the root source of their own dis-ease. When you are able to effectively turn the other cheek, one is held accountable for their own actions, rather than casting aspersions on one another. Webster defines aspersions as an attack on the integrity of someone, to doubt someone. When you doubt the integrity of another one, you must be able to identify that which is the true source of consternation. Pray then for right understanding in all things. Pray for those who are unable to see that which they must overcome in their own selves, to remove those barriers which keep one from moving forward in their own personal quest for enlightenment. Yes, that which prevents one from learning, that which is necessary in the school of life. In order to grow, one must turn inward for the answers they are seeking. This is how one will clearly see that which they must learn, in order for their soul to satisfactorily complete its earthly mission, that which is its sole purpose for being. When one is disappointed in the actions of another, it is easy to become consumed with self, thereby passing judgment on that which they perceive to be true. Right resolution will never transpire when perception is allowed to prevail. Perception is the tool of the devil, thereby creating disease and division. Yes, you are thinking of the D words. Division, discord, disharmony. Do you not see how the enemy is working in these times? Do not fall prey to these tactics. As seekers of truth, you must trust in that which I am showing you. Do not fall prey to that which is of the enemy. This is how you will find peace in the midst of adversity. Pray on behalf of those who are in the midst of a difficult lesson, that they will clearly see that which must be overcome. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 109 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you in these times.